Hey, good morning, and good morning. And I want to just welcome you back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strengthen You. Today I want to talk about something that has the power to shape the future of our homes. Speaking blessings over your family. So here we are, day 33, the power of speaking a blessing over your family. I know some of us do it, some of us should. The words we speak have power. Proverbs 18:21 says, the tongue has the power of life and death. When we bless our families with words of love, protection, and encouragement, we are planting seeds of strength and faith. Speaking life over your spouse, children, and loved ones builds confidence, unity, and God's presence in your home. And so today, here's what I want to challenge you to do. I want you to speak a blessing over your family. Say something like, may our home be filled with peace, love, and God's favor. If you have children, lay hands on them and declare blessings over their future. Dear Lord, I just pray that you would just bless my kids, take care of my kids. Blessings aren't just words, they are declarations of faith. Let's reset our home by speaking life into them daily. We'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And Lord, please bless the house of the people who are watching this today. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk with you tomorrow.